Antiques worth a lot of money often come from unexpected places. You might find them in your attic, basement, or even at a flea market. Items like porcelain dishes, antique furniture, old baseball cards, and vintage toys are just a few examples of antiques worth a lot of money. Collectors are always searching for rare and authentic pieces that carry history and craftsmanship. One category of antiques worth a lot of money is porcelain. Rare porcelain dishes from famous makers can sell for thousands of dollars. The age, condition, and maker's mark all play a role in determining value. Another example is antique furniture. A Windsor-style armchair or a handcrafted cabinet from centuries ago can be antiques worth a lot of money if they are authentic and well preserved. Coins and stamps are also antiques worth a lot of money. Collectors prize rare coins with historical significance and stamps with limited circulation. These items can fetch impressive prices at auctions. Similarly, old vinyl records and vintage barware have become antiques worth a lot of money as nostalgia and rarity drive demand. Textiles such as early American quilts are another category of antiques worth a lot of money. These hand-stitched pieces of history can sell for tens of thousands of dollars. Their patterns and craftsmanship make them highly desirable. Even toys from the early 20th century like tin cars or dolls are antiques worth a lot of money today. The key to identifying antiques worth a lot of money lies in authenticity, rarity, and condition. Items that are unique, well-preserved, and connected to a specific time period or maker are often the ones that bring the highest value. Auctions and antique dealers can help you understand the worth of your items. As we continue exploring antiques worth a lot of money, remember that what may look ordinary could be extraordinary. A dusty old typewriter or a forgotten barber chair might surprise you with its value. Collectors appreciate the stories behind these objects and are willing to pay for them. So if you have inherited antiques or enjoy searching flea markets, keep your eyes open. Antiques worth a lot of money are everywhere, and with the right knowledge you can uncover hidden gems. Whether it is porcelain, furniture, coins, stamps, textiles, or toys, these antiques worth a lot of money connect us to history while offering financial rewards.